Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the obvious but essential links, your phone number or email that's registered with Snapchat. Once done, make sure the app is up to date and that Snapchat servers are operational. This prevents false password errors. Next, switch networks, move from Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa, because intermittent connections can corrupt authentication. While you do this, keep a password manager or a written backup nearby, so you can quickly test your current credentials. Now proceed with a password reset through Snapchat's Forgot Password flow, choosing email or SMS depending on your linked contact. This forces a new token. If reset links don't arrive, clear the app cache or reinstall the app to remove stale data that blocks login. Make sure you can pass identity checks, confirm username, date of birth, and any linked device prompts. While waiting for emails or codes, check spam folders and ensure your time and date settings are correct on your device. Finish by setting a strong new password and enabling two-factor authentication so future errors are less likely and your account stays secure. Once logged in, review active sessions and revoke any unfamiliar devices to close potential breaches. If you hit a persistent error, capture screenshots of messages and error codes, then contact Snapchat support with your username, linked email, and the screenshots. This speeds resolution. One troubleshooting tip. If CAPTCHAs or rate limits appear, wait 30 to 60 minutes before retrying to avoid temporary blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.